And I have used this to do my analysis, and I have gathered all the 30 stocks that I actually picked for my dividend portfolio. I've always wanted to build a dividend portfolio, and now I took the big leap and I have built it, and I'm very satisfied with what I've done. But how did I do that? I used the app. I picked all the stocks that meet my criteria, and then in our app, when you analyze the portfolio, it will give you a consolidated report, consolidated chart, starting in this case, the start date is 2018, and you see the performance of all these 30 stocks starting from 2018 to today, right? And what I notice is the total return here is almost say 80%. And if you had put $1, you would now have $1.79. And the dividend yield is 3.3%, which is the key factor that I was looking for. I wanted to build a portfolio which has a dividend yield greater than 3, but I was also looking at something which lets me grow my dividends over the years. So it's not going to be stuck at 3.3. It's going to keep growing year over year. And I only pick stocks which have grown their dividends year over year for the last several years. All these stocks that you see here meet that criteria. And we also show the maximum drawdown, which is the percentage drop for this combo, and it's around 35%, which is reasonable. And the best year was 27%, and the worst year was just 5%. And the start date is limited by VC, which is a real estate REIT fund. But if I remove VC and put some other stock, the start date will go backwards because most of the companies I have been around for a very long time. And then you can also see the list of companies that we picked and their individual performance for the last 7 years in this case. And also what is the individual dividend yield for each of those companies. And that's what we have.